What are you thinking?
Monsters PJs.
Monster PJs? Is that what you're thinking? What are you thinking?
Monster PJs. Monster PJs. Monster wear PJs. Monster wear PJs.
Oh, all monsters wear PJs.
Monster wear
It's a well-known fact.
Monster? Where you go? He's in my bed.
Did the monster go to bed? He put on his PJs and went to bed. After he brushed his teeth.
Brush his teeth?
Monsters have big teeth. So I have to brush them 3 times a day.
You have to brush him? That scared him? That scared him away? That scared him away?
I don't think so, honey. He probably just got tired. What are you thinking now?
Monster wear PJs? Monster wear PJs?
Sure.
Monster wear my PJs?
Monsters wear Autumn Kerr PJs.
Monster wear PJs? Monster wear PJs?
Right.
Monster bed?
Yeah.
Monster brush him's teeth?
Right.
You steered him away? You steered him away?
It was me.
You steered him away?
I scare monsters away.
You did?
Brrr, I'm big and scary.
You steered him away? Why?
Because it's bedtime.
Just steered him away. You 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 just steered him away.